Today I'm going to talk about another simple beginning director's mistake. This is a really easy one to solve, and this has to do with audio. Every time you have a sound in your scene, as soon as that sound is over, that doesn't mean the sound has ended. It has this little tail off on there where it rings out throughout the room. So if you get to the point in your shot where you know you're not going to use anything past this point, and you say cut, your cut goes over the audio that's continuing to ring out. So you should always watch where you want to cut, and then it's okay, I want to cut here, and always give it just a few seconds, 5 seconds longer into the scene. It also helps your actors stay in the motion so that they're not you're not training them to stop acting or stop performing at that point. If they know they have to perform on, then, and sometimes when I'm doing it, I'll pick different moments to say cut. And it does a couple of things. It does that ringing out thing. And also, we get room sound all the time. I rarely ever actually use room sound when I'm editing audio. The audioscape is always changing. There's always different sounds coming in and out and tones, and when there's more people or less people in a room, it always changes. So I like to pick audio to fix problems that are really close to where I'm fixing the problem. So there's usually dead spaces in between, and then that little spot right after their voice rings out, and you've got that 5 or 10 seconds, and then you say cut. You still have all the same number of people in the room. You still have a very similar room tone. So you're actually catching room tone in each one of your shots. And that is the best way to cover up little audio issues. That's all I got today. I can barely talk. So thanks for bearing with me. I'm still sick as a dog. I'll just say love you all, and I'll see you in the comments. Bye.